Most people fail at affiliate marketing not because it doesn't work, but because they start in the wrong business. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how affiliate marketing actually works, which industries pay the most, and a step-by-step system you can copy, even if you're starting from zero. And stay until the end, because I'll show you the one mistake that quietly kills 90% of affiliates before they ever make their first dollar. Affiliate marketing. 2026. How to start from zero and earn with the highest paying programs. Most people who try affiliate marketing fail. This is not because affiliate marketing is a myth or because it no longer works. It is because they start their journey by focusing on the wrong thing entirely. They chase links. They hunt for commissions. They look for that one secret product that will make them rich overnight. They treat affiliate marketing like a lottery ticket, hoping for a quick win without building anything of real, lasting value. This approach is a recipe for frustration and burnout, and it is why so many quit just before they might have seen their first real success. The truth is much simpler and more powerful than that. It starts with a problem. It starts with an audience. It starts with building a small corner of the internet where you are a trusted voice. In this guide, I will show you exactly how this works, step by step. We will ignore the hype. We will focus on the fundamentals of building a real business asset. I will show you what affiliate marketing truly is. I will identify the highest paying industries for 2026. I will provide a clear system you can follow, even if you are starting from zero today with no audience and no experience. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Building something meaningful takes time, effort, consistency. But the reward is not just a commission check. It is an asset that you own. It is an audience that trusts you. When you have that trust, you are no longer chasing sales. Instead, opportunities come to you. Let's begin by defining affiliate marketing in a way that sets you up for success. Forget the idea of being a salesperson. Affiliate marketing is, at its core, a distribution business. You are not the creator of the product. You do not manage inventory, handle shipping, or deal with customer support tickets. Your primary role is to build a bridge. On one side of that bridge are people who have a specific problem or need. On the other side is the solution, a product or service that can help them. Your job is to guide them across that bridge by earning their attention and, more importantly, their trust. When you think of it this way, the entire model changes. Your focus shifts from selling to serving. You become a curator, a guide, a trusted advisor. Your main asset is not the affiliate link itself. That is just a technical tool used for tracking sales. Your real asset is the audience you build and the authority you establish with that audience. An audience that trusts your recommendations is a durable asset. It cannot be taken away if a program shuts down or a product becomes obsolete. Not all affiliate marketing businesses are created equal. There are three primary models: low ticket, mid ticket, high ticket. Understanding them is crucial. Only one builds a sustainable, burnout-proof asset. The first is the low-ticket volume model. Promotes inexpensive consumer products, kitchen gadgets, clothing, accessories, often sold on big retailers. Commissions are tiny, so you need massive traffic and high volume. That pushes you to churn shallow, click-focused content, which leads to burnout. The second is the mid-ticket expertise model. Focus on costlier products and services, specialized software, online courses, high-quality equipment. Commissions jump to $50 to a few hundred per sale. You must develop real expertise. Example: compare project management tools for freelancers. Example: demonstrate a camera lens for portraits. Fewer sales needed, but credibility matters. Finally, the high-ticket authority model, the most sustainable path. Focus on high-value B2B offers, enterprise software, financial services, certifications, payroll, CRM. Commissions often hundreds or thousands, many with recurring monthly commissions. This model requires the deepest trust and authority. Low ticket feels easier to start, but it's a constant grind for traffic. Mid-ticket is solid. High ticket builds a true asset. Scale income without scaling workload, create fewer in-depth pieces, serve a specific professional audience. This model protects you from burnout and generates predictable, life-changing income long-term. slower to build. The foundation is solid rock, not sand. As we look at the landscape of 2026, it is clear that the companies with the largest affiliate budgets are not selling physical trinkets. They are selling high-value solutions that transform how businesses operate and how individuals build their careers and wealth. These companies can afford to pay generous commissions because their customers are incredibly valuable. They have a high lifetime value, meaning they stay and pay for a long time. The highest-paying niches are almost always centered on business, finance, and technology. First on the list is B2B software and SaaS. This category is booming. Businesses of all sizes rely on software to manage operations, marketing automation, customer relationship management, project management, and data analytics. Because these tools are integral, churn is low and revenue is recurring. HubSpot, Salesforce, and specialized industry software often pay high upfront commissions, plus a percentage of the monthly subscription fee for years. It is a powerful model for generating passive income. Next are financial services and investing platforms, robo-advisors, online brokerage accounts, cryptocurrency exchanges, high-yield savings. Companies pay significantly to acquire a new investor or saver. A single referral can be several $100s. This niche requires a high degree of trust and responsibility. Business services, payroll, HR, accounting, legal technology solve persistent problems. Low churn. Online education and certifications, and the fast-growing AI tools and productivity platforms round out the list as businesses integrate AI for an edge. Starting from nothing can feel intimidating, but it is also an advantage. You have a blank slate to build your business the right way from day one. The key is to treat this as a real business, not a hobby. This requires a methodical approach. Here is a simple 5-step system you can follow. Follow these steps in order. Do not skip ahead. Each one builds upon the last. Step 1. Choose a business category, not a product. This is the most critical decision you will make. Do not start by looking for a product to promote. Instead, identify a business problem you want to become an expert in solving. Project management for creative agencies, AI content tools for solo entrepreneurs. By focusing on a category, you aren't tied to a single company. You become the go-to resource. Your business becomes resilient and adaptable. Step 2. Pick one platform and master it. In the beginning, your focus is your most valuable resource. Do not try to be everywhere at once. Start a blog, start a YouTube channel, start a podcast, start a TikTok account. Choose one where your audience spends time and commit. For many B2B and high-ticket niches, a blog or YouTube channel is excellent. Content you create today can attract an audience for months and years. Step 3. Create problem-solving content. The goal is not to sell, it is to help. Address pain points with concrete guides and workflows. How to choose your first CRM without getting overwhelmed. A step-by-step guide to migrating contacts. Share case studies. Offer practical advice. Avoid shallow top 5 lists without depth. Step 4. Build trust before introducing links. For weeks or months, focus on value. Answer comments. Engage. Show you're there to help. Trust is the currency. Step 5. Monetize with alignment, not volume. Be selective. A few high-value offers outperform many low-value ones. Frame recommendations as the next logical step. One of the biggest reasons people quit affiliate marketing is that their expectations are out of sync with reality. This could not be further from the truth. Building an authority-based affiliate business is like planting a tree, not lighting a firework. First 30 days, learning and creating. Do not expect revenue. Understand your niche and audience. Create your first foundational content. 60 to 90 days. Look for traction signals, steady view increases, thoughtful comments, first email subscribers, social shares. 6 to 12 months, compounding results. Older posts begin to rank. Steady traffic arrives. Trust enables recommendations that convert. Your first few sales often appear here. After 1 year of consistency, you have a real asset. a library that works 24/7, an audience that trusts your advice, and predictable affiliate income. From here, scale by expanding content, partnering with more companies, or creating your own products. Remember, affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Slow and steady progress wins. We have covered the models, the niches, and a step-by-step system to get you started. But if there is one piece of advice to take away, it is this. There is a single, fundamental mistake that kills at least 90% of aspiring affiliate marketers. The mistake is this: chasing commissions instead of building authority. They start by browsing for the highest payouts, find $500 per sale, and work backward into shallow content, thin review sites, or ads straight to the link. This is fragile and short-sighted. When you chase commissions, you build on rented land. Rates change, companies fail, competitors win. Your business can collapse overnight. You never built an audience that trusts you. You were a disposable billboard. Do the exact opposite. Start by building authority in a specific niche. Choose a category you care about. Commit to helping a specific group. Create valuable content consistently. Your audience trusts you, not the link. If one program ends, swap it for another. Income follows authority. Build authority first. Income follows. Build authority first, and the commissions will come to you. By the end of this essay, you will understand how to stop chasing fleeting commissions and start building a durable affiliate marketing business based on authority. You will have a clear framework for choosing a niche, creating valuable content, and earning income in a way that feels helpful, not pushy. If this video helped you see affiliate marketing as a real business, not a shortcut, subscribe for more strategic breakdowns on building income assets that actually last.